Being a human in our lives, we always want people to notice what we bring to the table. We always wait for that special person to notice us. The way we laugh, the way we talk, our sense of humor, or those things about which we're passionate. We all desire to have that special person notice these qualities of ours. But now the question arises, how can we make this possible? It's a common thought. What can I do to catch his eye? There are definitely some keys with the help of which you can improve yourself to stand out, and we're not asking you to change yourself, but to represent your best version so that people get naturally drawn towards you. Now, imagine if I tell you such 4 tips with the help of which you can force any guy to take your notice. It is not like any guy, but a right guy, a guy who appreciates you the way you are, does not force you to change. So, without wasting time, we will tell you those tips with which men will start noticing you. Number 1, dress to impress. When you want to make a lasting impression on someone, it becomes important how you dress. When you reflect on your personal style through your dress, you stand out in the crowd and your confidence also gets boosted. Dressing does not mean that you just wear what's trending. You have to choose the outfit in which you feel comfortable. This way you can master the art of dressing to impress and can force that special person to notice you. Follow these steps. A. Understand your body shape. It is of great importance to wear clothes that fit your body shape. Whether you're tall or nice looking, symmetric or athletic, when you choose outfits that flatter your body, you'll not only look great, but you'll also uplift your confidence, and confidence is always attractive. When you feel comfortable within yourself, this thing gets visible to other people as well. After understanding what fits to your body, now let's talk about colors. B. Know your colors. Certain colors can enhance your beauty, and it's possible that some colors may not match you according to your skin tone. Pay attention to which colors enhance your glow. Choose colors that make you feel vibrant. If you are not sure, then you can experiment with different colors and make sure in which color you stand out, and the colors in which you stand out, people like you more in those colors, and eventually those colors make you attractive like nothing else. C. Dress for the occasion. Another aspect of dressing is that you should dress according to the occasion. If you're at an event and you feel that person can be present there, then you should dress according to the rules of that event. This makes you sound professional, or if you're hanging out with that person, then you can choose the dress that you feel they like. Choosing the right outfit shows that you're thoughtful and interested in the occasion. D. Add a personal touch. To make your unique style shine even more, you can add a personal touch to it, whether it's a signature accessory, a piece of jewelry, or a special piece of footwear. Little details like these set you apart from others and make you memorable to them. For example, you can wear a special scent that's very unique and hard to find on any other person. This way, he'll always keep searching for that special scent of yours and you'll always be on his mind often. E. Comfort is the key. To look attractive to someone, you should not sacrifice your comfort. In fact, the thing in which you feel comfortable is the thing in which you can become attractive to others. If you forcefully do something just to look good, then that will never work. So choose fabrics and styles that always feel good against your skin and allow you to move freely and with confidence, and your attraction also increases. Number 2, maintain good posture and body language. The first thing people notice about you is your body language, and how people will perceive your energy, openness, and confidence depends heavily on your body language. Nonverbal things speak louder than words, so if you want to make a great impression and you want to take notice of that one particular person, focusing on your posture and body language is key. Here's how you can master the art of nonverbal communication and send the right signals to those around you. A. Make eye contact. The most important and powerful form of nonverbal communication is eye contact. When you're in a conversation with a person, making eye contact will make him feel that you're fully engaged and interested in him. Besides, eye contact helps you connect deeply. However, remember to keep it natural. Constant, unblinking eye contact can come across as intimidating or unsettling. B. Smile genuinely. A smile is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make yourself more approachable and inviting. When you smile genuinely, your face brightens up and you appear more friendly and kind by smiling. You not only become attractive, but your mood also improves, and when that person sees you smiling continuously, their desire to talk to you increases and they start noticing you in the crowd. And always remember, a smiling face always stands in a room full of grim faces. C. Stay relaxed and grounded. When you have a conversation with that person, good posture and body language are important. It's equally important to remain relaxed and grounded. There should not be any tension in your body. If this happens, they might feel that you're not comfortable with them or that you're nervous. Take deep breaths during the conversation and try to stay calm. This not only makes you feel more in control, but also makes those around you feel at ease, and the person you're with also gets attracted towards you. Number 3, radiate positive energy. Positive energy is a very powerful force that not only influences your life, but also influences the people around you. When you radiate positivity, you attract like-minded people towards you. Here are some practical ways to ensure that your energy is vibrant and contagious. A. Be supportive and kind. When you show acts of kindness and support for others, you radiate positivity. Whether you say just a word of encouragement to them or offer a helping hand, these small acts can brighten that person's day. When you do this, you give a message of positivity in your environment, you become an example, and people start getting attracted towards you. B. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. How many people you attract toward you and how much energy you move with depends on the people you surround yourself with. When your social circle consists of positive and uplifting people, not only is your positivity nourished, but it also inspires others to gravitate towards you. Like-minded individuals who share similar values and mindsets help keep you motivated and maintain a high level of positive energy. This shared positivity is a magnet for others seeking the same joy and fulfillment in their lives. Number 4, develop great conversational skills. When you have a conversation with that person, your conversation should be meaningful too. However, you may converse with anyone. Great conversation skills open many doors and make the conversation memorable too. If you want to capture someone's attention and engage in enriching dialogue, here are a few essential tips to become a more engaging conversationalist. A. Be an active listener. The most important thing in a conversation is active listening. Instead of waiting for the opportunity to talk, show genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Nod when they're talking to you, maintain eye contact, and provide feedback so they feel that you're interested in the conversation. Also, ask them open-ended questions. When you converse with them in this way, they will definitely find you attractive. B. Be well-informed. Conversations become even more interesting when you contribute knowledge and ask thoughtful questions. For this, you always have to stay up to date about current events. When you're well-informed, the person you converse with does not get bored with you. They can ask you questions from any field and get attracted to you by seeing your knowledge. People who have knowledge are ready to talk to them about anything. In this way, you become the center of attraction even in a crowd. That concludes our discussion on how to make men notice you in a valuable and authentic way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Wishing you all the best in your journey to connect with amazing individuals in your life. Stay confident and be the best version of yourself.